Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at another solar light for the electric fence that we really love. This is solar powered. It does have the lights flashing right now. You basically just hook it up with a alligator clip to your hotline. Doesn't need to be grounded. This thing is amazing. We have used this for, like, it's right off the barndorium. I can just glance out the window and see that it's strobing, and even in inclement weather I know that we have a charge on our solar fence. Very reasonably priced. It does have a magnetic base. You can also attach it however you see fit. There's screw holes here so you can take the base off and mount it to a fence or whatever, but I keep moving this thing because it's so versatile and you're able to do it. So I just put it on the T-post, and it's got a strong magnet. Having some solar flash strobes is just cheap insurance, so that at any given time you can look out your window and see that your fence is live. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.